Okay, just in a back job here, and I wanted to point at something else out. A lot of people ask me about wiring in roofs, and you can see a wire here, right? And this wire here runs underneath this joist, and I've put the bat over the top of it there because there's no choice. It runs all the way through underneath the joist. So in order to put it on top of the bat, I'd have to do that, right? Which sounds fine, but as you go along, the bat's going to get tighter and tighter, and it's going to make all these gaps here where you squeeze the bat down with the wire as you go, and so you're going to pull the bat down tight, squash all the air out of it, and it won't work. Now, if an electrician wants to find that wire, it's not a big deal. Pull the bat out and you can find the wire, but you can see that wire runs along here and over here, right, underneath the joist again there, right, and that one there again underneath the joist and down to the end. Now, how do you put the wire on top of the bat there? Because it runs down through the middle underneath the joist. So wiring's difficult to run on top of bats sometimes, and so if you're hopping your roof and that, like this one here, I've run it underneath this bat, but like I said, over there it squashes it down, but this wire here's got quite a lot of slack, so that's about as good as it gets. But then it goes underneath that one and underneath the next one, so yeah. So anyway, if electricians ran their wires all on top of the joists, then it'd make installing the bats underneath the wiring really easy, and where they don't, then it makes it very difficult. So alright.